Welcome to Kawa Media 205. In my previous video, we have done simple bar or column graph for single column values. In this video, we'll making different types of multiple column graph for multiple columns. Here you can see, I make a table of monthly sales figures for mobile phones. Here, I am written names of months on the top. And in vertical, this is the column of salesman who done sales on monthly basis. This table shows the sales figures done in these 7 months: January, February, March, April, May, June and July. During Excel course tutorials, I am teaching you so many tools of Excel. So here, I am also going to show you a new tool in Excel. To look table more clear, I will make a borders. To make a borders of table, going to the toolbar, here you can see in the Home tab, a square box. First, select the table or what you like to make border, by clicking on the left mouse button. To make a whole table border, I am selecting the whole table. Then going to Home tab. Then click on this square box. Here you can see, the list of borders. Bottom, top, right, left, no borders, all borders, thick box borders and so on. I would like to make a whole table borders, so I am clicking on all borders. Here you see, the table looks more clear. Now, I am going to show you how to make a multiple column graph or clustered graph. First, select the part of table which you wants to show in the graph or chart. Here, I am selecting whole table with names of months and names of salesmen. Except total. Going to Insert tab and the toolbar, here you see, there are different types of charts. I am selecting the column. Here you see, different types of columns. Clustered column, stack columns and many more. This clustered column graph not only represents single column data values, but also it is used to show multiple columns data values. You can also select the stack clustered column to present your data in stacks. Here you see, different shapes of columns. 3D columns, cylinder-shaped column, cons and pyramids. Here, I am selecting simple clustered column. The graph is appear. You can also set the position of graph. I am taking this graph to the right side. Now, here you see, names of salesmen written at the bottom in the graph. This is the sales scale for make graph of sales figures. There are multiple columns, which represent the sales figures of different months. The colors of each bars represent each month in which sales occurs. This clustered column represent Mary sales, which is written in this table. First, January sales, represent this bar, then next bar represent February sales and so on. All these bars represent each month sales figure. Here you see, the colors of bars represent months. I am zooming it, to see its clear view. Here you, bigger the size of a chart, by going to the corner of chart and here you stretch it by holding left button of mouse. Here at the bottom, you can see, the names of salesmen. This is sales scales required for plotting the sales figure graph, and these are the bars which represent sales figure, and color of bars represent months. So, this is simple multiple columns graph, or you can say, multiple clustered columns or bars graph, for multiple columns data in table. Now, I am going to show you some other types of columns graph, for multiple data values. Going to Insert tab, here in the chart, you can see, different types of charts or graphs, which I will show you, in my coming tutorials videos. Here, click on columns, then here you see the next type of column which is clustered stacked column, which means multiple data values shows in stacked bars or columns. Before click on it, select the data first. I am selecting all the data written with names of salesmen and months, except total. Must remember, for making graph, don't select the total. Then, go to the Insert tab, select the option of column, then click on stacked column. Here you see the stacked column graph is appear. Here you see in the graph, all sales figures of each salesman merge in each single bar, which called stacked column. The colors of each stack bar represent the months. Here you see, Mary sales figures. In January, the sales is 20,000, in February, 35,000, in March 40,000, then 50,000 and so on. the sales scale written here, and names of salesmen written here. Now, you can also change the shape of stack columns by going to the columns option again. Here you see different shapes of stacked columns. Also, choose any of them. Here you see different shapes of columns. Cylinder-shaped columns, cones and pyramids. Choose any of them that suits your graph. If you want only graph, then left-click on Chart box, then go to Design tab. Here you see different designs of stack columns. Here you see the option of Move Chart. Click on it. There are two options, New Sheet and other one is Object In. Here you can see, Object In option is selected by default, because this option is to show graph on Excel sheet with its table. If you want the only graph is showing on separate sheet, then click on New Sheet. Here you write the name of sheet, where you present your chart or graph. I make sales figures for mobile phone chart, so here, I am writing sales figures for mobile phone chart. So, this the name of sheet, then click OK. Here you see, the only chart is appear on separate sheet. If you want this graph or chart, show with table on Excel sheet. Again click on Chart then go to Move Chart. Here you select the option of Object In. Then click OK. Here you see, the chart is appear with table. Set the position of chart, where you wants to show the graph. This is we done. In this tutorial, we have learned different types of multiple column charts, and using of some new tools in Excel. In coming tutorial videos, we will going to learn using of some more new tools of Excel. Also we will learn some more types of charts. Thank you for watching. Like and share these tutorials videos with your friends. Keep watching my channel and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos. Press the bell icon to get notification of my latest uploaded videos.